This is a flying saucer that I used to fly at the every year when we had our party down at Cliff, and I used to drop parachutes and streamers. Yeah, and it worked quite well.
So how old is the model?
Oh, it's going on now. It must be all of 15 years old, I suppose.
Wow.
But it's still airworthy, but I've got no engine on it at the moment.
Cool.
A fuselage of you'd probably try plane, but
The size of
hasn't
it.
flown yet. And there is the fuselage, part of the fuselage of the Vulcan bomber.
Wow, that is big.
Trailing edge.
Sorry, say that again, Den. What was it? 10?
10 foot wingspan at the trailing edge. And there's my fairy delta, a bucket fan. I've only flown that at Bickley. But that's still got the ducted fan in it, it's not a jet. And to start it, you had a long rod fitted into the nut of the propeller with the spin. So what you had to do is take that off and put this long rod right up there so it fitted on the front of the engine.
Right.
That's the only way you could start it. Spin it up and then power it. That was pretty fast, I can tell you.
My life.
Yeah.
It's just models, models, models.
Here's a few odds and ends hanging about. This Hurricane, I've been struggling with this because this bloody engine, it plays up, and because the engine's been playing up, I just stopped building it. But it would be a nice...
Is that an aluminium prop?
No,
Or wood?
wood. Just a wooden propeller. And there's some of my other planes. Well, there's the wing of the Hurricane.
Wow. Never seen so many planes in my life.
Because there's a lot of planes in there as well, bits and pieces. The Tiger Marshal now, that's that one at the back. These are the wings of my Fokker triplane. And that there is the wing of a flying fortress there, lying at the bottom there, at the back. Another one, it's based on a pit special, that's scratch built, that is. But there's no engine in it at the moment.
Wow.
There's a few odds and ends in there. That's another pit special, that flies like a dream, that does. That's really one of the best flyers I've ever built.
The scale detail on the dash.
Yeah. There's another pit special I built that hasn't flown yet. I've been experimenting with smoke, but it's not easy to do with the ordinary fuel. It's not petrol, see, if it's petrol you can get away with it, but I haven't tested that properly yet. And this is one of the fastest planes I've ever built. Down at Cliff, that registered at 130 mile an hour. 130 mile an hour.
Even the police helicopter couldn't keep up with that.
Yeah, that's not crazy. But yeah, it's a Saab big, it's a Swedish Air Force.
Scratch or
Scratch, yeah.
you built that scratch?
Yeah, built shop.
Life, it's like an aircraft museum.
Yeah. As you can see, I've been busy for years and years and years. And I wouldn't be without my old bandsaw. I wouldn't be able to do it without the bandsaw, not really. So as you can see, there's a lot of work here, taken years, and you've only got to just look around and even look down there as well. There's two big Mustangs down there, two Spitfires, Tempest.
My life.
And some at the back there, and I can't remember which the ones they are.